Now we're going for a rolling race. Cars are in light sport. Race to the half mile, auto mode. Here we go, I'm gonna call it in. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick down. This just hasn't, no. Didn't kick down, it just built to the gears. Wow. Bye, Yanni.
I'll take that, I don't care.
Here we go, this will test our hybrid systems. 3, 2, 1, go. Bloody hell. Honestly, this is just testament to Ferrari's power. Three, 2, 1, go. So he pulls away a bit at first, but then this just hauls.